How to log out ChatGPT from all devices. So basically, if you want to log out your ChatGPT from all devices, you can simply go ahead and then open up your browser. Then go to chatgpt.com. Now, if you are using a shared account and many people have logged into your ChatGPT account and you want to log everyone out, you can click on the profile icon from the top right hand side, then simply navigate to the option called settings. From the settings option over here, you'll find many options, but you can obviously navigate to security option. From security, you'll find an option that says log out of all devices, or you can just click on the log out all button, and then when you click that, everyone who's currently logged into your ChatGPT account will be successfully logged out. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log out all devices from ChatGPT. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.